Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. And itong reading na to is about your future self. So, timeless reading, anytime na mapanood nyo to. As long as you will resonate, this reading is for you. Okay, so let's see. Tingnan muna natin yung timeline ng future. What is the timeline for Capricorn into the future? What is the timeline? Okay. 2 years from now. Okay. That is the timeline. 2 years from now ang energy na to. What are the energies for Capricorn? Future self, 2 years from now. Okay, we have Berkanu, Isa, and Gable. Okay, itong Isa is about stasis. Ibig sabihin, parang nakatigil. Oo. You may feel na parang walang nangyayari, no, sa life mo, parang stuck ka na dyan. But, don't worry, kasi 2 years from now, merong major change. Berkanu is about new beginnings. This is also about fertility. Divine timing. So, yung iba, pwede kayo lilipat ng bahay, lilipat ng location, kung saan kayo nakatira, saan kayo nagtatrabaho. And this is going to bring you happiness and blessings, opportunities. Kasi Gabo is about opportunities and blessings and gifts. So, maaring 2 years from now, meron ka marireceive na magandang opportunity na kailangan mong lumipat ng lugar or magsimula muli. And this is going to bring you abundance. This is going to bring you blessings. Maari ding meron kang major gift na matatanggap. Can be anything, no? Pwedeng material na bagay, pwedeng opportunity na ibibigay sa'yo ng universe. Okay? So, let's see. Ano pa? 2 years from now, future self ng mga Capricorn. What's the energy? 2 years from now. Okay. We have the 7 of Swords. We have the Queen of Pentacles. We have the Knight of Wands. Meron ditong exploration. Uy, okay. We have the 10 of Pentacles, the Moon. 7 of Swords. 2 years from now, meron kang malalaman or matutuklasan about an intention of a person sa'yo financially, no? Pwedeng itong person na to ay yung parang mga nagtitake advantage of your kindness, of your support. So, at least malalaman mo kung sino tong taong to. And you have to be careful kasi maaring meron dito na mag-offer sa'yo ng opportunity tapos hindi naman pala totoo. Okay? So, you have to be careful sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. With the Queen of Pentacles, this is your energy as a Capricorn. Maari ring meron kang ine-explore or i-explore with the Knight of Wands pagdating sa negosyo. So, 2 years from now, maaaring magsisimula ka ng isang negosyo na kung saan madidevelop mo siya ng isang stable source of income that you can even, parang pwede mo siyang ipasa sa mga anak mo na kung saan masasabi mong makakagawa ka ng isang, makakapagpatayo ka ng isang negosyo na pwede mong, yun nga, i-pass down na, parang siya, generational wealth. Okay, ganon, generational wealth. The Moon is about your emotions and instinct. I think, meron kang malalaman pa about yourself, yung kakayanan mo, kung gaano ka kalakas, kung gaano ka katatag. And this is going to be revealed sa'yo sa loob ng 2 years. O, diba? You have the High Priestess and the Death card. So, this is your instinct, your intuition. Some of you, meron kayong Pisces placements or Scorpio placements or Cancer placements. that is really very powerful when it comes to manifestation. So, maaring meron kayong mamamanifest na very big break para sa inyo na masasabi mo ito talaga yung magbibigay ng major change or transformation sa buhay mo. Some of you, maaring kayo ay magsisettle down in the next 2 years if you are connecting with someone right now. You have the Page of Wands, o diba? The Lovers, Queen of Swords. Okay. Yes, so yung iba sa inyo papasok sa isang seryosong relationship, pwede ring may marriage dito. It's about union of two people. You may be dealing with an air sign. Meron siyang air sign placement, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And then, maaaring makikilala mo to somewhere habang nagta-travel ka or habang nag-aaral ka or makakasama mo sa mga adventures mo. Let's say, pinakilala sa'yo ng kasama mo nung nagbabakasyon kayo sa ibang lugar. Or this person is pwede rin siyang mas bata sa'yo or pwedeng may pagka-fun yung energy niya. Hindi siya ganun kaseryoso sa buhay pero maaring ma-attract ka sa kanya dahil nagko-compliment kayo. Ikaw yung sobrang seryoso, siya naman yung parang nagpapalighten ng energy mo, kumbaga. So, you will be very attracted sa person na to. And maaring yun yung isa sa reason na ikaw ay may in love sa person na to 2 years from now. If you're single, ha? Okay, let's see what else. Clean it up. You have Imagine. You're also going to be very creative. May mga sisimulan kang bagong projects 2 years from now. I feel like you will also release some old patterns na alam mong hindi na nakakatulong for you. Mas gusto mo ngayon na tahimik lang or hindi mo na pinapaalam kung ano yung nangyayari sa buhay mo. You're just going to focus on achieving your goals and dreams and focusing on kung paano mo pa mas may improve yung life mo. Meron ding peace dito. Ibig sabihin maaring meron makikipag-ayos, makikipagbati sa'yo 2 years from now na matagal mo nang hindi nakakausap, hindi kayo okay nung person na to. This person may be reaching out or ikaw yung magre-reach out para makipag-ayos. I also see strength pag sa physical ninyo. Pwedeng kayo mag-gym or 2 years from now, mas magiging iba na yung pangangatawan ninyo, mas malusog, mas malakas, masigla. When we say malusog, it's healthy, no? Okay, you have Mars in Virgo in the 6th house. Okay. Mas magiging ka rin, pwedeng demanding in a way pagdating sa gusto mo sa isang katrabaho. Lalo na kung tauhan mo siya. Kasi pwedeng magkakaroon ka ng business, tapos medyo gusto mo yung mga tauhan or makakatrabaho na talagang team player who will really help you. Na nandyan talaga to help you with the project, yung inyong business. You also have the Sun in Pisces in the 12th house. You will have, magkakaroon ka ng mga panaginip na parang totoo. Maaring magkakaroon ka ng mga visions like parang ano ba yun? Hindi siya pamahin. Parang nakikita mo na, it's like parang visions of the future. Ganon. Mas magiging guided ka, divinely guided of what's coming to you. Kasi very strong yung iyong instinct, intuition. Mas lalo mong i-develop yung iyong instinct, yung intuition mo. And pay attention sa mga mga hidden enemies. Kasi meron dyan who will try to bring you down. Yung parang, pwedeng sa trabaho, very competitive sa'yo, hahanapan ka ng mali mo, ganun. Patience. It is safe to wait. So, may mga bagay na kailangan talagang hintayin. Hindi naman kailangang madaliin, At maaring yung mga hinihintay mo in the next 2 years, 2 years from now, you will be able to receive it. Makukuha mo, matatanggap mo na yan. You will also enjoy yung mga simpleng gawain sa bahay. So, ibig sabihin nito, meron ka ng oras, panahon para gawin yung mga simple tasks sa bahay. At na-enjoy mo na yan. So, some of you, pwedeng kayo ay retired na, or yung iba naman, baka mag-early retirement kayo, or yung iba naman, maaring may kakayanan na kayo na magstay na lang sa bahay at hindi na mag-work at magawa yung mga bagay na gusto mo at tahimik lang na pamumuhay. Ayan. So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.